because you can't get it anywhere.
Found it. I found it, people.
So come and get your cans. The £100 a can.
What a fucking shame, Payame G. What a fucking embarrassment. Look like one big bumbuckler Teletubby. Me bum out of box, you cross your pussy.
Welcome to Cook and Vibe. Welcome to season 9. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe, and KSI and Logan Paul have released their prime drink in the UK. Oh my God, it's gone mad. I've never known a drink to be like this. I've never known it. I have never known it. I swear, there are people going mad. There is queues upon queues for this drink.
They announced on Twitter that they're selling Prime. Bro, the queue is no joke. There is no way.
There is kids fighting over this drink, yeah? There is adults fighting over this drink.
Can't get Prime till 10 o'clock. It doesn't open the shop. Shop opens now, but the tills do not open till 10 o'clock. Yep. Any fighting, I can kick you out. Yep. All right? Yep.
They're already started.
Oh my
God. It is just crazy. Like, this drink is like the most difficult drink to get ever.
Right guys, live from Aldi, and look at this, everyone going for Prime. Look how many there is, people. There's so many people going for Prime. Unreal. Absolutely chock-a-block. You literally have to get like a ticket. You get like a ticket before you can even go in to buy it. I'm literally not even in the queue. It's just that busy. Look how busy it is. Oh my God, just for a drink. It's crazy. Absolute unbelievable. And it tells you you're allowed one bottle of each. You can't have any bottles more. It's just absolutely shocking.
Like, marketing skills on this, big up KSI and Logan Paul. But I'll tell you something, people. We are gonna fight in the drink, innit? Cause you know, say it's Cook and Vibe, and we have to get the exclusive things then. I know it's been out for a little while, but the hype is really here in the UK right now. By the time this video comes out, it's probably a few weeks into it, but right now it's going mad. We're gonna find it. Yeah, I don't know how, but we're gonna find it. Let's go. We are on the mission for Prime, people. That's a nice little backdrop. Look at that. Nice. But yeah, we're at Asda's. See if we can find it in there. Wow. Empty. Oh, people, we've got to find it somewhere. All right, people, let's try good old Aldi's. Can't believe that they're sick that they give it to Aldi as well, though. Oi, people, right, we've drove all the way over to a different part to try and find this drink. We're in the next Aldi's to see if they got the Prime drink. I can't find it nowhere. This is where all the drinks and that are, as you can see, but alright, if it's gonna be anywhere, it's gonna be here. The energy drinks, look, Red Bull, Dark Thunder. It don't look they got any Prime, people. This is becoming an absolute mad. I've never ever known nothing like it. You ain't getting Prime in Aldi's. The guys just told me, yeah, it was a one-off. So they was just testing the market. It's a one-off, so they sold out in the first 5 minutes. No Aldi in this country is gonna have them now. So Aldi is done. Asda is our only option. People, I'm telling you, I have drove to every Aldi that I know from Kent to London. Every Asda, every Aldi. I can't find it. I can't find it anywhere, man. I don't know how we're gonna find this drink, people, but we're gonna find it, trust me. Why? Yo, people, I swear it's mad enough. You've got people even out here selling them on the black market.
Selling them on eBay for like £8 a pop.
Bro, I shit you not. The only place you're meant to get Prime is Asda and Arsenal Stadium. But people are getting it on petrol stations.
How?
You know how? Asda, Asda employees aren't even fucking putting it on the shelves anymore.
Oh,
they're like,
just because they can hit them out low
shipping
key.
it out low key. They're like, what's the point? I put it on the shelf, it's gone instantly. Fuck it, I'm just gonna sell it on the black market myself.
What?
It's 2023. It's season 9. Press that like button and let's get this moving.
Yeah, the man, they were taking the drinks out the shop, putting them in their shops and selling them for big money. When I talk about big money, when I talk about big money.
Yes, everybody. It's Saturday morning. We've got the Prime cans in. Check them out, Abdul. What do you think, Abdul?
They're nice, yeah.
We're the only shop in England to have these cans in. So come and get your cans. They're £100 a can.
What a fucking shame, Paya G. What a fucking embarrassment. Look like one big bumbuckler Teletubby. Me bum out of box, you cross your pussy.
This drink is a madness. I think it's time to call it a day, people. I've searched around every Asda, every Aldi. I can't go into every single shop to see if they got it. Like, I'll be here for the rest of the year. I'm gonna try a couple more shops and then it's done. Found it. I found it, people. Listen, man just paid £17 for this. £17, people. I'm telling you about these dodgy shopkeepers, mate. £17 for this Prime drink, but we found it. We have found the drink, people. We need to get back to the yard. We need to taste this drink because this is an expensive, hard to find drink. We found it. I can't believe it. We're gonna go back to the yard. We're gonna taste it, and we might even do something with the drink. Whoa, yeah!
Hoi people, don't forget to press that like button and subscribe, otherwise your fingernails will go rusty and crusty and fall off.
Oi! We got it! £17, one drink.
Move your pussy hole.
I swear down, this drink better taste good.
I may tell you, choke me, general.
Now, they say it's an energy drink, but it's not an energy drink. It's a muscle hydration energy. No, it's a muscle hydration drink. There's no energy drink in it. So it's not an energy drink. It's a muscle hydration drink. All right? So, it is the moment of truth. This better taste good. KSI, Logan Paul, 17 quid drink. Prime, let's taste it. Really nice. That's really nice. That's really nice. Let me try it again. It's really good. I mean, I've chose blue raspberry because I like blue raspberry. That's a really nice drink. After a couple Jamaican cigarettes, I'll back that quickly. 17 quid, gone. Bosh! Huh? So what, I mean, we gotta do something with it. 17 quid, you think I'm wasting that? A punch we gotta make. Woy-oy! Woy-oy, people! Yeah, man, so look, we had to make a punch with this because 17 quid for a drink. So what we got is we got some Prime, okay? What else we got is we got a Tropical Vibes, what do they call this one? Ocean Blue, yeah? So we got a Tropical Vibes Ocean Blue, we got a Prime drink, and of course we got the Ray and Nephews. Do you know what I'm saying? We've also got some bits of lime down there as well. You get me? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some prime first. Yeah. All right, so next we're gonna add the Tropical Vibes Ocean Blue, Wai in there. Wai. Yeah, man, Ray and Nephews neck, you get me? So we have to make the prime yard style. This a yard style prime drink, you understand? Yeah, man, big up KSI Logan Paul, but you know, so we have to put some Ray and Nephews in it now. Yeah, man, why? We make this prime kick ya though. And there we go. Why? And to last, we're gonna squeeze a bit of lime in there, people. You know what I'm saying? And to finalize it off, we're just gonna drop a couple bits of lime in there after we squeeze it. We're gonna give that a little mix around, people. And the prime Ray and Nephews punch is ready to go. Why taste time. There you go, people. There is our Ray and Nephews prime blue raspberry punch. Oh, yeah, man. You know, say we had to put a piece of Jamaica into the prime craziness. You know what I'm saying? So I like prime a start cause crime. I that man tell a man, yo, prime a start cause crime, but hold on there. Lord have mercy, mercy, mercy. I'm not in the party. That's a good drink. The rum, obviously the rum flavour. The blue raspberry and the ocean blue just connects. You see me? The rum in there, the prime just connects with the ocean blue. Same way. Do you know what I'm saying? That's a really nice drink. People, I think, I'm happy that I've done what I've done with the prime drink. I'm happy with my 17 quid. Cheers. Cheers, Cook on Vibe. The most expensive drink I've ever bought in my life. Thank you very much for joining. Big up KSI, big up Logan Paul. What a great business, man. What an absolute great business. Wish you all the best. Hope it goes well. KSI, if you ever want to try my prime Ray and Nephews Ocean Blue Prime Punch, let me know and I will happily make you some. Oi, oi! I'll see you soon, people. Big up Section United. Schweppes got. Oi.
Greetings, tell me how you're feeling. It's the big up section. You don't know where to go, people. Leave a comment in the comment section for your chance.
Oi! Welcome to the big up section, people. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Prime Season 9. You understand? It's a crazy thing what is happening right now. Hopefully, within the next year, we can release our own drink and we're gonna give the exclusive to Lidl. Yes, people, man, I'd really appreciate it right now if you press that subscribe button. If you haven't already, you can become a member to the channel by pressing the join button. And if you press the like button, it'd also be much appreciated to get that algorithm moving so the video does well. You see me? Yes, people, you don't know this week's big up. Big up section is one section that's never changed. It's never going to change because I appreciate you lot. Big up Stuart Henshaw 6597. He says, big up yourself, M. Loved Cook and Vibe since day one. Would love a shout out in the next big up section, General. Why? You don't know my G. like the intro says, just leave a comment in the comment section for your chance. You understand? And also, big up user SR4BG7SI3B. Says big up, can't wait. And that was regarding to the live, I believe, the live update. Yes, we are in season 9. Everything will be fine because we got some big episodes to drop. So I need you to press the notification bell so you don't miss anything that happens. People, it's been a wicked episode. We finally found the prime drink. I will see you very soon because we are kicking off the season now and there is no time to waste. Why?
Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking fine. We are cool about the Mr. Green. Tell me how you feeling. We are cooking fine. We are cool.